Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Want to dress up your Apple Watch with a fancy metal band but don't want to pay those crazy Apple prices? You might be interested in learning more about a small company called JUUK. Veterans in the watch industry, their product idea was to produce Apple Watch bands sourced from the same manufacturers that Swiss watchmakers use, making your Apple Watch look less like a tech product and more like an upscale watch. Their aluminum and stainless steel watch bands are lovely, and while they aren't cheap, they're much more reasonably priced than Apple's metal bands. Let's take a closer look. So the Apple Watch band model that the folks at JUUK sent me out to review is their Vitero model. This is a two-toned watch band made of hard anodized 6000 series aluminum. JUUK also makes stainless steel bands as well, but as I have an aluminum Apple Watch, this seemed to be the right choice. Really love the two-tone design here. Think that that looks lovely. Obviously there's other colors available besides lavender, but I'm a fan of purple, so I thought that was going to look really great. Got a little bit of JUUK branding here, nothing too terribly obtrusive. Everything just feels very, very nice quality on here. We have stainless steel butterfly clasp on the interior. Super easy to use. One nice thing in terms of quality here is that they use a custom Apple Watch connector rather than just grafting on a generic one. Here you just have a band attached to a standard Apple Watch connector, whereas in this case, the link has been designed specifically for this lovely band design. This design is really cool because it's designed so that the links, if you are looking at them flat, are not completely smooth, but they're smooth if they are curved around your wrist. Overall, everything just feels very, very nice quality with this. Installing this in your Apple Watch is really pretty straightforward, but it's slightly trickier than with some watch band models in that you have to install both sides more or less at the same time because this is a one-piece watch band. So you kind of slide in one just a little bit of the way and then slide in the other side. So right now you can see both of these are partially slid in. Then you want to turn it around to the back. You can see you've got a little button here on the interior of the watch band. So you need to press that very slightly and that's going to allow it to slide in further. Then press the button on the other side and then you'll be able to slide it on all the way. Clicks in very securely and everything looks great. So looking here at our fit on Apple Watch, everything looks beautiful here. I think it's great that you're able to have a premium looking Apple Watch band with the aluminum version of Apple Watch. Usually the premium watch bands are stainless steel, and that's great if you have the stainless steel Apple Watch, but I've got the aluminum Apple Watch, so it can be a little difficult to find a premium aluminum band like we have here from JUUK. But the Vitero looks absolutely fantastic on here. Great color match, great material match. Everything looks fantastic. Super smooth, lovely, lightweight watch band. You probably think that this is heavier than it actually is because of the size. A stainless steel band would be much heavier than this, but this aluminum band is super lightweight and just a pleasure to put on your wrist. The butterfly clasp is very easy to use. Seems extremely high quality. And everything looks great here. So overall, I found the Vitero watch band to be an absolute pleasure to have on my Apple Watch. Really high quality look and feel. Great clasp, that all worked out wonderfully. And it has an excellent fit on the wrist. That is when you get the extra links taken out. So I definitely had to adjust this before it would fit on my wrist. Had to take out a total of 4 links, and I found the process to be pretty miserable. So JUUK does include this link removal tool. It's supposed to allow you to be able to easily take out links, and I did not find it to be easy at all. I finally did manage to successfully remove the links myself, but I had to use both this tool and a link adjustment tool from another company that I happened to have lying around. And between the two of them, I got the links out, which was great, but I didn't find this to be as easy as advertised. So that's a little bit of a downside to this band. But honestly, even if you have to take this into a jeweler and pay for it, I'm sure that's going to be less expensive than buying one of those super expensive Apple Watch bands. And honestly, if you have the aluminum watch like I do, you're not even going to be able to get a high-end aluminum band from Apple because they just don't make it. They only make it for the stainless steel Apple Watches. So overall, I think that this is just a really nice product, despite the link adjustment issues. Looks great, feels great, and I like the fact that it comes from a small Canadian company. I always like supporting small business. Overall, just a really nice product from the folks at JUUK. Again, we've been looking at the Vitero Apple Watch Band by JUUK. This product is available directly from JUUK and is priced at $119 for the solid color, cosmic gray, and silver watch bands, and $149 for the two-toned lavender band featured in this review, as well as the two-toned ruby gray, ruby silver, cerulean, granite, and frost versions. It comes in both the 38/40mm size featured here, as well as the larger 42/44mm version, which is priced the same as its smaller cousin, but comes in an even larger selection of colors. And of course, JUUK has many other watch band models to choose from, in aluminum, in stainless steel, and even a few leather bands. Many thanks to the kind folks at JUUK for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.